For the installation of ETERNITY NE, Matrix recommends certain precautions and prerequisites. ETERNITY NE can be mounted both on the wall as well as in a rack. For wall mounting, you need to keep a height of at least 3.5 feet from the ground. This height is best suited for preventive or corrective maintenance. The installation site should be well ventilated, moisture and dust free. It should not be exposed to direct sunlight, heat or excessive cold. Install the system away from any source of electromagnetic noise such as radio equipment, heavy transformers, etc. Install the system at equal distance from all the extensions to simplify cabling network and reduce cabling costs. If you want to connect the system to mobile networks, sufficient network coverage should be available at the site. Now, let me tell you something about power supply and earthing. You must provide for a separate power point close to the system. Power supply for the system must be separate from heavy electrical loads like air conditioners, heaters, welding machines, electrical motors, etc. You must know proper earthing protects people and electronic systems from various accidents. Provide dedicated earthing for ETERNITY NE. Now, let me give you some important tips for cabling. Before you start installation, complete the telephone wiring. Use separate cable conduits for electrical and telephone cables. Select standard, good quality twisted pair telephone cables for internal as well as overhead cabling. Cable joints can cause troubles. Always order sufficient length of cables for joint-free cabling. Label each cable. Never cross cables at joints and junctions. Keep the ETERNITY NE and EON 48 quick start handy. You will need them during the installation. I'm sure you would have realized by now that by following the prerequisites and precautions that I have just discussed with you, you would achieve a totally trouble-free installation of ETERNITY NE.